my shit is not, it is not that today. It's one of them days, y'all, so I gotta keep this head on. I got to. I'm trying to angle this motherfucker. Yeah. So today, y'all, I was finna be fat and I was finna get some wings. I was finna get a 6-piece hot honey lemon pepper, but I didn't. Instead, I went and got, but first things first. This is the pineapple dragon fruit lemonade. We got to get into this. I be trying to let y'all see, but my phone do not be wanting to let me be great. See, this shit in y'all way. Okay. Cheers. It ain't bad. Maybe it'll like settle in, but it's actually really sour. It's actually really sour, but it ain't bad. I would give it like a 3 out of 10 maybe. Y'all, so I got some, if this shit'll come out, I got some fries. And I did, of course, get a salad. Pick up my shit up. I got a salad, y'all. Normally, they don't cut you, bitch, I don't know if this like a premium Chick-fil-A or what, but I don't remember having my salad and shit, like, or the chicken. Like, look. Normally, I remember them just throwing that bitch on there. They didn't cut it up and shit. Now, I didn't show y'all me putting all this shit on here because I'm weird, y'all. I eat my salad wet but dry. I don't like to put all that shit and then,